Is it still raining in LA? My love, is it still raining in the LAT this afternoon? My love, the snow will leaves fall at any moment. I walk alone through the land of memories, hearing the sad sound of pine trees calling your name. Is anyone still sitting in the old cafe? A misty frame still awaits someone. I gather the memories into my breath, but why can't my heart still hold you? There are loves that pass through a person's life like a cold rain in the mountain town, wanting to hold on but then letting go, leaving behind nostalgic time, carrying regret. Is it still raining in Dallas, my love? Still hearing the wind calling my name, still silent hallucination like the day you said you loved me. Does the light still feel alive? I still feel the silver hues of the years, even though time has slipped far away. I still remember your eyes. Yellow mimosa still falls in the wind, like our love story hasn't faded enough yet. I return to find the domain name again. Only my heart can play. The light at night, I hear the church bells. The long bank is like a nameless memory. I gently ask the 1,000-year-old rain of the mountain town, calm down. Do you still remember me? If one day we accidentally meet again, amidst the mist of the old days, I will smile even though my heart is still strong, because I know my life once had you. Is it still raining in Dallas, my love? I still hear the singing from the days we were together. So many seasons of flowers bloom and wither, but my love hasn't faded. even if it's just